Hi, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments. In this video, I am going to fill the rest of this page with the loop border die set. So watch through to the end. The final result is beautiful. So let's get started. So first I'm going to cut the background pieces for the loop borders. Here I'm using the 1x4 square die from set D, and I'm also using the 1x2 square die from set C. And I have to cut a lot of pieces, so to save time, I'm cutting them both at the same time. I'm going to cut with the 1x4 die 4 times and the 1x2 die 8 times. So that's a lot of cutting to get done. Now I have cut all of my pieces and just putting them on the side here. I am using my repositional tape. It's the Herma Dotto Dispenser. I recommend it for Mosaic Moments pages. I'm just using it to fill in, using it on the back of the paper to fill in all the spaces. So here I've already placed my 1x4 borders, and now I'm placing my 1x2 borders around the pattern. For this layout, I am using page pattern number 405. You can find it on our pattern gallery at mosaicmoments.com. Now my background pieces are set, and I'm going to start cutting with the loop border dies. Alright, so I still need to make a lot of pieces, so I'm doubling up on the cardstock. So each of these dies here actually has 2 pieces of cardstock that I'm cutting through. And I recommend when doing this, roll the dies through the machine at least twice, maybe even 3 times like I did here. And as you see, the die came out and I just have to pull out the little extra pieces. And that one's done. And now I'm going to take out all the little pieces in the 1x4 die. Sped it up here because it did take me a little bit. But now they're both ready to go. So one of my tips is to use the Xyron sticker machine for dies such as the loop border. There's just so many details to try to glue around. So this is when I get out the sticker machine and you just put it in the machine. You rub the outside of it and it kind of turns your die into a sticker. That way I'm not trying to glue down and trying to get around the edges really carefully, and I like that you can just pull it all the way through and the whole thing's sticky. The glue does leave a residue, so I just rub off the excess. I find it comes off pretty easily. So you'll see I put it down here and I'm rubbing off the excess. So it's really not too hard. Now I'm trying it out with the 1x2 die. I just love how easy it is to put it down, especially when I have a lot of pieces to get through. So all my pieces are set, and now I'm going to show you an extra detail. The 1x4 loop border die is placed here, and now I'm going to get those little oval pieces. This is just a fun detail to add. I just cut cardstock in the little tiny pieces because there's no need for me to use a whole huge border of cardstock. And there's my oval pieces all cut out, and I'm going to use it on my page. As you can see here, I used my Xyron sticker machine again because I have a lot of little pieces here, and I'm going to be filling in all of the dies here in these loops. And as you can see, it actually looks really pretty so far. I just thought it would be a nice detail to fill in the little ovals. I think I used a very light color pattern paper, so I thought this would give it an extra pop. So I'm going to fill in the rest here. One reason I love working with the dies so much is because you can put as much detail or make it as simple as you want. So just real quick here, I needed to finish it up by adding these 1-inch blocks in my design, so I just use a 1-inch punch. Pretty easy to glue them down, and the page is all done. As you can see, this page turned out to be really beautiful. I actually didn't even expect it to look this good. I really think with this page pattern number 405 and the loop borders, it makes a wonderful page, and I hope this inspires you to make a beautiful page at home. Thanks for watching, and see more on mosaicmoments.com.